Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing CATRICE makeup. I'm sorry if I butchered this name. So if you're interested to see what I've got, just keep on watching. So first I have this eyeshadow palette. It's called Pro Slim eyeshadow palette, and yes, it is quite slim. And it says Lavender Breeze, and this is how the palette looks inside. I think it has some really gorgeous colors. On the back you have the ingredients, and also actually it's called Sea of the Blossom, and doesn't say if it's cruelty free or vegan. I'm gonna do some swatches as well. First shade is called Honest. It's a really light color. Then we have Delicate. They're quite powdery, by the way. Then we have Cotton. It's a shimmer. Doesn't really show up, so we will see. Then we have Lover. It's a really nice lavender, a light one. The next shade is Peach. Cute pink. Then we have Ineffable. I have no idea how to pronounce this. It's a shimmer, and is this one in here. And the last shade from the first row, it's called Earth, and it's a shimmer as well. So the last two I actually liked how they swatched, but the rest didn't really like it. But again, I will just have to see how it looks on my face actually. Okay, I'm swatching the second row. The first shade is called Elegant. And you see, like a gray. Then we have Dazzling. It's a shimmer. Seems to be like a silver, kind of. Then we have Lilac, another shimmer. This is a really cute color. Then we have Dreamer. This is a matte. Here is Romantic, another shimmer. In here we have Gorgeous. I'm gonna do it in here. So this is shade Gorgeous, and the last one is shade Deep. It's a really deep brown, almost like a black. So this is how the swatches look like. It didn't swatch really nice, but again, I cannot judge this palette until I actually have it on my eyelids. Okay, so as you already know, I always use an eyeshadow base with all my eyeshadow palettes. So it will be fair if I actually use an eyeshadow base with this palette as well. And by the way, I don't set it. I don't add powder on top, I just leave it wet. In my outer V, I think I'm gonna start actually with this deeper shade. Yeah, seems pigmented. By the way, guys, they're quite powdery. I mean, the mattes are quite powdery in the pan, as you can see in here. It's a lot of fallout. I think I'm gonna try the shade Dreamer as well. And I think in the center of my lid, I'm gonna go with the shade Cotton. I'm gonna try with the brush as well, because I'm really curious how it performs with the brush. It's quite chunky, so I prefer it with the finger, to be honest. They're not really creamy and buttery. They're quite powdery as well, so the shimmers are not really great. And I'm going back in with the shade Deep. Those colors don't really blend together. Try a different brush. In my brow bone, I am gonna use this shade Delicate. It's very patchy. At the moment this eye look is a disaster. I'll try to see on my lower lash line to see if it's gonna stick or not. I need to wet it. By the way, for the first half I've used shade Deep, so for this in here, and then for this part I'm using Romantic, this one in here. And it doesn't show up at all. I'm still wetting the brush and I'm really going in. Barely shows up. I'll see after I apply my foundation. I'll try one more time to blend it out, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna go and finish the other eye. I'm also gonna add foundation, concealer and powder, and I will come back because I have a few more products to test from them. Okay, so I'm back. The next product I want to test from them is this bronzing powder, and this is how it looks like. It says matte bronzing powder, water resistant, medium to dark skin, and this is how it looks like inside. I mean, I like the packaging, so let's see how pigmented is this. It's not a lot of fallout in the pan, which I love. It does pick up product. And it's not extremely pigmented, which I actually like because you can build it up. But yeah, I think the shade is nice. Yeah, I actually quite enjoy this. Okay, moving on, I also have a blush from them, and this is called Blush Box Water and Sweat Proof, and this is how it looks like. It has Believe in Yourself. It's encrypted, so I couldn't find any other shade. This is in the shade Soft Rose. It looks quite pinky and light, but let's see how this will look. I don't know if it shows up on my skin because it's quite light, but it's not extremely pink and I like it. So yeah, this was right as well. Also have a highlighter from them, and this is how it looks like. It's called More Than Glow Highlighter. I think it's a gorgeous glow, and it has these flowers in here. Which shade is this? This is Supreme Rose Beam. So I'm really curious. I'm gonna swatch this because it looks so smooth. Look. So yeah, seems pigmented. I'm really curious how it's gonna look on my face. Again, not a lot of fallout in the pan, which I like. So it means you're not picking up a ton of product. Yeah, it does show up nicely. Hopefully you can build it up because I like the really beaming highlighter. Yeah, you can definitely build it up, and I love it. Yeah, actually looks like you have like glass skin. I love it. It's not really glittery at all. So yeah, good highlighter. Next item I have from them is a lipstick. I really like the packaging, by the way. This is called Plumping Gel Lipstick in the shade 150. Oh, and this one it says vegan, and it's 150 Rule the World. This is the shade name, and this is how it looks like. On the camera looks really pink, but it's actually a really nice color, and it has some shimmer in it. So I'm curious how it's gonna look on my lips. By the way, it's really creamy and smells like candy, like cotton candy. I love the smell. This is definitely a sheer lipstick, which I don't mind. Yeah, it's quite sheer and actually feels on the lips like a lip gloss. Yeah, this is alright, and it's really hydrating, by the way. It's quite good. So the last item that I'm most excited, it's actually the setting spray. I've heard so many good things about the setting spray, and it says long lasting prime and fine multi-talent fixing spray. It only has 50 ml, but again, I cannot wait to test it because I've heard so many good things about this. I mean, it should be really good. And it has this pump. It has a really nice fresh smell. Fruity something. I cannot tell what kind of fruit, but it's really fresh. So I'm gonna try this. Oh, actually, I think it smells like lemon. That is nice. I mean, the spritzer, it's not extremely fine, but it feels nice on the face. It's not a really aggressive spritzer. So yeah, I think it's really good. I'm gonna go now and finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna add some lashes, mascara, and I'll do my hair as well, and come back with the finished look and also my final thoughts about this product. Okay guys, so I'm back. This is the finished look. I've added just some eyelashes. I haven't done an eyeliner or anything because I just wanted to go a bit more natural anyway. So let's talk about these products to see which I liked and which I didn't. I think the only thing I didn't really like was the eyeshadow palette. The colors, I mean, they're right. I like the colors, I like them, but the fact that I had to build it up so much, I mean, it took so long to actually build everything up, to blend everything in. This darker shade wouldn't blend in nicely with the other ones. The shimmers are not really buttery. So yeah, it took a long time to actually create this look. So I can say it's actually a average. I expected a bit more from this because the colors are quite cute, but as I said, the shimmers are not really buttery, and the mattes are quite powdery as well. And even on the wet base, it took a lot to actually build it up. But the rest of the products I quite enjoyed. I really love the highlighter. I think the blush is cute as well. I mean, it's not really pink, so I actually like it. And also the bronzer performs really well. I mean, it's not extremely pigmented, but as you can see, you can build it up. It blends up really quick. It doesn't look patchy. So yeah, this three I loved it. And also I did enjoy the setting spray. I mean, my base looks quite nice after this. And also doesn't seem to run transfer because I've used a foundation that it's not really long wear, so doesn't seem to transfer, which is good. So yeah, the setting spray was quite alright, and I did enjoy this lipstick as well. I mean, it's really hydrating, and even if it's sheer and it feels like a lip gloss, I like it because I have all full coverage type of lipstick, so I actually enjoy this because I don't have another lipstick like this. So yeah, this is really good. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually tried any of the Catrice makeup, if you enjoyed it, if you feel disappointed from the products you tried. So yeah, let me know how it worked on your face. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!